Welcome to Toshniwal Learning. Hello, guys. So today we will be looking a new topic that is data-driven. How to pass the data from feature file. In your project, there will be a case that you have to pass a test data, and you must be passing it from your property file or Excel using Apache POI. But Cucumber have a very good option of passing the test data from feature file itself. So let's do it. We have 3 to 4 ways to do it, but we'll be learning only 2 ways, which will be enough for you to pass the data. So firstly, I will be passing the data. I'll show you how to pass the data from the keyword itself. In the keyword, on a single keyword, if I want to pass. So I want to pass a data as data 1234 1223 as a username. Okay, so what I'm doing I'm simply passing the data in the double quotes in as a username. What you need to do, you just need to right click it and Cucumber feature you need to do it. It will definitely give me a snippet that uh, implement this step. Why? Because I have changed the wordings, I have changed the sentence, and that this line is not present in the step definition file. If you could look over here, what is this? What it is giving in the console. It is nothing but a regular expression for a string. For this string, the regular expression is already being created, and you just need to use this regular expression uh, with the annotation. You have to just use this, right? So I'll just copy it and paste it over here. And also, if you could see, it is also giving me a parameter. I need to pass one parameter because I am using one set of data, one string. So only one string parameter I need to pass it over here. And I have passed that parameter as a string username. And I'm using that parameter. What actually is happening over here? What will happen? It will look for a parameter. Okay, there is a parameter. It will look that where is the regular expression. This is the regular expression, and it will look for the data, and it will pass this data in place of sysout in place here. Then I will simply run this program. So if I run this program, you can see that data 1223 is coming over here. So it is taking this parameter and it is taking the regular expression, and the regular expression is pointed over here. So the data is not visible in your scripting. It is everything is there in your step definition file, right? There is one more way to do this. This is a very common way. The another way is using the scenario outline. What is scenario outline? It is very important topic. Usually, it has been asked that what is difference between scenario and scenario outline, that we are going to learn it today. Make sure you write in this format only, scenario outline, S capital O capital colon. So we'll write a scenario outline. What is the difference? A scenario outline is also behaves like a scenario, but it have a keyword name as examples. In the examples keyword, we have a different set of data, multiple set of data that can be used. Okay. So when you want to use data using examples keyword, then you have to use scenario outline. So another scenario, I am going to write it for e-commerce website. We have written login application. So there will be a search functionality also, right? I'm writing the search functionality. Given user is on home page. When user, what it will search? It will search for a goods. User search for goods in search bar. And user clicks enter. See, I told you, you have to give the proper syntax. So it is not taking it over here. This is and this and look over here. So I'll give as and. And user clicks enter, and after giving the goods, yeah, if it enters, there will be a different brand coming over in the after the search, after the result. So and user selects a brand from result. As soon as user selects the brand, then user will be able to buy that product, right? Now I want to pass some set of data. As I told you, there will be an examples keyword. Okay, so in the examples keyword, we need to pass the data. Where I need to pass the data? I need to pass the data inside the goods. I want to make it generic so that I want to pass any good like mobile, washing machine, anything, right? So that how we have to write it over here, open and close bracket with double quotes. This is a goods, and I will select a brand. Which brand? Brand could be anything, right? Now you have to use these two, parameters inside the examples to pass the data, and that should be written in pipe. This pipe, okay? You can find it below the space bar, backspace, with the help of shift and that button. Goods and sorry, this is brand, okay, not branch. Brand. Pipe closed. So this will act as a parameter, those two parameter, and what value you need? You need goods as a mobile and brand as I want OnePlus. I'll simply paste it. I'll simply save it and I'll make it as a pretty format. Okay. See, goods, brand, brand. It will take mobile as an input and OnePlus as an input. We have to implement this step. We will just copy it and paste it over here in step definition file here. What it did the same process, right? The regular expression for every string wherever I'm passing the string and with an argument, okay, with a parameter. So simply I have to do what I am doing sysout, then I have to pass something. Okay, I have to pass something. I need to pass it here. What I'm using it, I'm using a goods, a good. Okay, so user selects user search for what it search for a good. What will be the good? As per our feature file, whatever data I'm giving it should search for mobile. So that should come over here, a mobile, right? The same says out I'm giving over here. User clicks enter, and here what I need a brand, right? I am passing a parameter as a brand. What brand it should take it as per our feature file, as per our data, it should take a brand as OnePlus. I'll simply save it and I'll run it quickly. Buy that product. Okay, run as testng. Sorry, JUnit. See if you could see over here. This is the second scenario. Homepage. Homepage. User search for mobile. It is taking that good parameter. It is looking for the regular expression. Regular expression is there. It will look for this goods, and inside this mobile is there. So it is passing the mobile. Then it is passing the OnePlus as a brand, because I am using in the when keyword I am using a goods, and in this when keyword I am using the goods, this one, right? In the when keyword, this regular expression will look for this, and this is over here, and it will pass this data, right? And same goes with the brand. Now what eh, more things I can do? I can pass multiple sets of data. Okay, so for mobile right now I am passing washing machine, and I have to take a look for Samsung. I'll make it as a pretty format. I'll close this. Okay. So what is happening over here? With the help of scenario outline, I can run multiple set of data with one scenario only. I don't need to write another scenario for washing machine and Samsung, because I'm performing the same steps for two times. So I just need to pass those data in the pipe under the example. So that is the difference, the major difference, that you can use the same scenario for multiple datas, but you cannot use the simple scenario for multiple datas. Okay. So this scenario will run for two times with two sets of data. Okay. run as JUnit. See over here. Homepage, mobile, OnePlus, buy that product. Homepage, washing machine, Samsung. So it is taking two sets of data, right? Washing machine and some Samsung. And I can see three scenarios are run and three are passed. Why? Because one scenario is this scenario, second scenario is this scenario, and third scenario is this scenario. The same report will be generated. Let me show you. Index open with web browser. So you could see this is my first scenario. The second scenario is using the goods. It's not a scenario, it is showing that what actually the scenario is written, and this too gets executed. One with the OnePlus mobile and washing machine and Samsung. So three scenarios are getting executed with the help of one scenario outline is having two scenarios. Why? Because we are passing two sets of data. So this is very important. This is how you can pass the data in the Cucumber and see what advantage it is having. This feature file is having so much of data. You don't need to write the test case. You can pass your data over here. You don't need to pass the data in your script. You can keep everything in your feature file. This is the main advantage of feature file. Okay. So that's it for this video. Hope you liked it. Please do like, subscribe, and comment whatever doubts you are having. See you in the next video. Thank you.